Kenny with Gardening Simplified. This is just short video on saving flower seeds. A lot of times we grow a lot of flowers in our garden, and sometimes you don't think about how simple it is to save those seeds and plant others. What I'm working on here is a little too warm outside, so I decided to come in. I'm working on some marigold seeds, and I'll show you just how easy it is. Marigold seeds are easy to save. All you have to do is pull the blooms. Normally we deadhead our flowers anyway, so they'll bloom more, so you get more blooms. Now once it's dried like this, all you got to do is pinch this bottom and hold it, and you can pull these top pieces off of here, your petals and the piece that connects to the seed. What it'll leave you is with this. Now once you do this, these seeds are really easy to get out of here. They just basically, they fall out. And you can see this is one flower, and you can see how many seeds that we have from this one flower. All these seeds here are from the marigolds that I planted this year, and this is all from one 99-cent pack. So as far as, yes, the seeds are cheap, but it doesn't take but just a second, and you've got your supply for next year, or you have a whole lot that you can give away. Also, I have some zinnias here. Now these zinnias are a little different. The petal tends to want to stick to the seed. Now you could clean these up. You could pull this apart, and there would be a seed like you'd see in your seed pack. This little piece on the end here, and you could clean that up if you want, but it's not necessary. You just plant this whole thing, and these are going to grow. But this was just one 99-cent pack of mixed colored zinnias, and you can see how many seeds are here for next year to give away to family, friends, whoever. It's so simple. I want to encourage you to start saving seeds, and if you do have flowers, and marigolds is one that you normally grow in the garden to keep the insects down and such, growing pollinators. I know the bumblebees like them. Just go out when your bloom dies, take them and pull them off, pull a few. You don't have to get crazy like I did, but save them once they dry good. It doesn't take but a second. You've seen how easy it is to save the seeds. Save the seeds from a few blooms, and you'll have your seed for next year. This is Kenny Povey with Gardening Simplified. Happy gardening.